This week, one of your ELA assignments is to review the following 4 types of writing and then write your own paragraph. Use at least 5 sentences to write an informative, how-to writing, an opinion writing, or persuasive writing. So you'll be choosing one type of writing that you would like to write your paragraph on. Must include 5 sentences. The sentences will include a topic sentence. So down here on the Kami, there's something called Hamburger Writing Template. Put your name here, then circle which type of writing you will be writing about, and we'll go over those in just a moment. So your topic sentence will be like the top part of the hamburger bun, 3 details about the topic, and then a concluding sentence. So if you look a little further up into the assignment, you'll notice there is a embedded Google slide activity here. So the first one is informative writing. What is it? There are several videos here to explain what informative writing is. Once you click on the link, it takes you to a video, episode 1. Okay, so that's the first episode. Then you'll go to episode 2, and I'd like for you to watch all videos as part of this assignment. So even if you want to write an opinion paragraph, please review all types of writing. So there are about 8 short videos. So informative writing tells about facts. How-to writing is giving directions on how to do something. Perhaps how to start a garden, how to write a paragraph, how to ride a bike. There are some examples within the videos. The third choice would be an opinion writing paragraph. So watch the videos within these episodes. It will tell you exactly what to do. Opinion writing is writing about your own opinion. Persuasive writing is when you try to persuade your reader to do something. So maybe I'm going to write a persuasive writing about why I think students should choose virtual schooling over brick and mortar schooling. That's just an idea. So you choose one of these types of writing after watching the videos. Follow the directions within the Google slides here. Then write your final writing here. Make sure your topic sentence is a complete sentence. That should tell your readers what the topic of your writing is. The 3 details need to be: why do you think that? Or what are some facts about the topic? A concluding sentence wraps up your paragraph. So the total points for this assignment is 25 points, 5 points per sentence. So I'm going to make an example of a type of writing on a sheet of paper. So feel free to follow along and watch how I put together a paragraph. So I have chosen to write a persuasive writing. I've watched all 6 of these videos and I found a topic that I would like to write and persuade you as my readers to agree with me. So I'm just kind of copying this hamburger writing template. So up here on the bun, it's the topic sentence. I'm writing a persuasive, so I'm going to go ahead and add that up here. You just need to circle that on the page. And the topic that I'm going to choose answers the question, what's the best season of the year? Okay, then I'm going to write about my opinion. Give 3 details why I think the season that I like is the best and try to persuade you to agree with me. So notice I'm making like a little, that kind of looks like a hamburger bun with 3 details in the middle, or you could think of that as like your hamburger, lettuce, tomato, whatever you like. Okay, so on the topic sentence, that's where you want to kind of grab your reader's attention. I'm going to state my opinion and try to persuade you that I think that summer is the best season of the year. I believe that summer is the best season of the year. Who wouldn't love sunshine, swimming, and time off school? So you can see my 3 main details are sunshine, swimming, and time off of school. And then down here, I'll give a conclusion sentence. Now I'm going to write a little bit more about why I think summer is the best season of the year, and I'm going to try to convince you of the same. So to put my details in the middle, I want to start with a sequencing word like first, next, last. So I'm going to start this sentence right here with first, the bright sunshine in the summer gives you vitamin D. This actually improves your mood and health. Period. 2 sentences there to describe why I think sunshine is a great part of summer. Next, during the summer, it is full of swim time for my family. Who wouldn't love jumping? I'm going to go a little bit out of the lines here. I didn't leave enough room for my topic or for my detail. Who wouldn't love jumping into a cool, refreshing pool after a nice hot day? Question mark. I'm adding that question to make my readers think a little bit. Who wouldn't want that? Last reason, no school in the summer. Another color here. The last reason you should love summer. The best is that you get a break from school. Everyone needs some time to relax and recharge. Last thing, I'm going to wrap all of this up into one concluding paragraph. These are just a few reasons why summer is the best season of all. I can't wait for summer to be here. Okay, so that is a persuasive paragraph that gives a topic sentence, 3 details, and a concluding sentence. You may choose any of these 4 types of writing. I chose persuasive. So after you finish your writing, you can also write it on paper and upload as a picture by using the Add Media button. That's completely up to you. Can't wait to read your writing. Have a wonderful day.